With Data Inbox, you can manually upload historical field boundary, planting, harvest, or soil files and view your field data layers in FieldView. Log into your FieldView account and click on Data Inbox. Check if files are compatible using the Data Inbox Compatibility Guide on our Knowledge Center. Once you've checked your file compatibility, zip your files by selecting all the desired files, right-click and select Compress. Select the zipped files you wish to upload. You will be able to see the progress of each file uploading to your account. After files are uploaded, review the files by selecting each file type tab at the top. At this time, a user can edit client name, farm name, crop type, and hybrid for individual line items or for multiple lines as a batch edit. Select the checkbox above the first column to select all files at once. Select which files to import. If necessary, tap Rerun Field Assignment to ensure that uploaded files are associated with the correct field boundary in an account. Click on Import All. You can also delete uploaded data by tapping on Delete. For the best upload experience, use Google Chrome as your internet browser. Use a laptop or desktop computer to load data, and make sure you have reliable internet service. For more information, please reach out to our support team or visit our Knowledge Center.